Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all channel messages in your Discord server. So in this case, you have to open a new tab and name it Discord, Mystics bot. Now welcome to that Mystics bot to your server first. Just click on add to server. Now click on this your server. You want to invite this bot and delete your messages in that server. Alright, now it is you can see a dashboard. Scroll down and you will find moderation. Here you will find moderator. Just enable it, active moderator, and you can do just things, delete messages, all of this. What is crown, you cannot do this, that means it's premium, so you can do the rest for free. Alright, now click on auto moderation, doesn't affect other bots, and now click on save. Go back to your account, refresh on, and you can see that Mystics bot is here. Here's the Mystics bot. Now if you want to delete your server messages, channel messages, what you can do is just click write exclamatory and write here clear, and it will pop up. It should pop up. Wait, clear this one, and just choose the message number. How many messages you want to delete? Amount 1 2 3 4 5 6. I want this 6 messages, I want this 5 messages to be deleted. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so I'm writing here 5 and click enter. Let's see, 5 messages has been deleted, you can see here, and only 1 message is here. This is how you can delete all of these messages, just putting here exclamatory and write here clear, and choose this clear and write here the amount. Choose amount and write here the amount, how many messages you want to clear. Like I'm writing here 2. So you can see that if I write here 100 messages will be deleted. If I write here 1000 messages will be deleted. Okay, so guys, this is how you can delete it servers messages with helping a bot. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.